presents. Do you want to go see what Santa brought?
Jack, Santa came. He brought you lots of presents. Guess what? He ate the cookies and drank the milk.
You want to go see?
Wait a minute.
Let's go get Mima.
Mama!
What?
You made some more oils up here.
I did.
I eat them all.
Because you love oranges.
Ma, there's 2 and 3.
Jack, do you want to go see what Santa brought?
Yes.
Okay, go upstairs and get Mima.
Baby, Nintendo baby will go with me.
Yeah, we'll take the baby.
Snack.
Alright.
Do you want to go see your presents?
Yeah.
All right, let's go get Mima. Come on.
Go get Mima.
Go yell up. Say, Mima, Santa's here. Say, Mima, Santa came.
Santa came.
Say, Santa was here, Mima.
It came down the chimney.
That's right, he came down the chimney.
Yeah, he came down the stairs. He jumped.
Really?
He jumped down the ladder.
And where did he put all the presents?
He put them in the air.
He put them in the air?
Yeah.
Well, when I was down there, they were under the Christmas tree.
I don't eat them.
You gonna eat them?
Yeah.
What do you think he brought you?
Presents.
Look, what's in the presents?
There's candy.
Really?
Who's coming down?
Did I hear somebody? What's happening today? What's going on today?
Santa came.
He did?
Yeah.
Come on, let's go look.
Where?
Under the tree.
Mama.
Under the Christmas tree. Come on. Downstairs. You should see what else he did, Jack. Jack, he built a great big fire.
He ate the cookie. Santa. He picked why he picked the cookie?
Look at all the presents, Jack. He ate all the cookies.
Look. Oh, look at this.
He left you a candy cane?
Yeah.
Cool. Look at all the gifts he put under the tree for you, Jack. Jack, look at all the presents.
Look at
Whoa.
Holy moly.
What do you think?